Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G200, and today I would like to show you how you can change the keyboard's theme on this Motorola. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Then tap on System, Languages and Input on Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, tap on Theme and choose Show More. This way you will see all available ones. When you're ready, you can click on one of those colors, like the blue one, click on the switcher next to keyboards to enable or disable them and tap on Apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those images. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!